Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to rotate a video using CapCut. Okay, so first and foremost, come to your CapCut application. So my CapCut is opening. Okay, so when your CapCut is done opening, come and import a new video. So tap on new project. Okay, so we are going to import a video that we want to rotate. So I'll import this video here. Okay, so after selecting it, I just come to the add button. Okay, so our video is being imported. Okay, so as you can see, when I play this video, this is how it's supposed to be playing. Okay, so it is playing in a normal way. As you can see, someone is basically walking in this video. Okay, so if I want to rotate this video, what I'm going to do is quite simple. Okay, I'll just come to the edits here. Okay, so when I come to the edits, I scroll down. Okay, I scroll, then after scrolling, I'll still come to the edit option here, then I tap on it. Okay, so when I tap on the edit option, the rotate button will be the first button. So I'll tap on rotate. Okay, then again I rotate again. Okay, so that's how I want to rotate this video. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I just tap in the free space, then I go back behind. Okay, so let me play this video. As you can see, the video is playing, but it is rotated. So this man is walking upside down. Of course, this is just abnormal, but this is just how you can rotate any video on CapCut. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like to our video, and we shall meet in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.